Fix in 5. Got a P0571? Let's break it down. What it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. You can keep driving, for now. For now, is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Cruise control inoperative or fails to engage. Cruise control does not disengage when brake pedal pressed. Warning light or check engine light illuminated. Brake lights may not function properly. Multiple cruise control related DTCs present. Now the most likely causes. Faulty brake light switch, most common. Loose or corroded electrical connector at brake switch. Damaged wiring or broken wire in brake switch circuit. ECM programming issue or software fault. Brake pedal position sensor malfunction. How to fix it? Replace brake light switch with OEM equivalent, most common fix. Clean and reseat brake switch electrical connector. Repair damaged wiring in brake switch circuit harness. Reprogram or update ECM firmware if available. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €25 to €75 doing it yourself, or €65 minus 115 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, can I fix P0571 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0571 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device, put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0571. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.